Hello friends, today in this small session we are going to see how steam can be used to generate power. In fact, before we understand how steam can be used to generate power, we require to understand how does a power plant work. Basically, we have something known as the turbine here that you see. And we require to have this to have a movement which is coupled to the generator which generates power, and from here we have the power grid or the wires that you see, and the power goes to different places and it reaches your home. So this is a very basic construction, friends. I have a turbine, I have a power generator here, from where the power is generated and the power is distributed. Now my problem is, how do I move this? If I use air, I call it as a windmill. This is common in most of the power plants. Only this source, the source that is used to move this, will define which is your power plant. So if I am going to use wind to move this, we call it as wind turbine, and you'll appreciate seeing this. And you would be seeing a lot of wind turbines on top of the hills. So these are fans, and instead of me blowing, it is a natural breeze or the wind that comes and it moves this turbine, and the turbine will move this generator and I generate power. Okay, this is one thing. In case I don't want to use wind, I want to use water to move in this pipe. I call it penstock, and this water with high velocity pressure hits these buckets, and these buckets will start moving and I will start generating electricity. Now let us take this example. Let's say that we have a dam here and there's enough water, and I will push this water onto the wheels. You see that the wheels moved. Now just imagine, if I have a continuous flow of water, then these wheels are going to move, and hence it is going to operate the turbine, and from the turbine I'm going to get the electricity. So I call this as a hydraulic turbine because I am using water. Hydraulic, hydrogen, H2O, hydraulic or hydroelectric power plant or hydropower plant. Now in case I want to use steam here, then I require some method of generating steam, and this steam I put it in this, and the steam that comes out with high pressure velocity will make this move, and this we call it as a thermal power plant. So how does it work? I will have something here where I have boilers, I make steam, and this steam goes into the turbines, moves the turbines, moves the generator, and I generate power source. So I showed you that we have a steam generator here. Now the problem is, this generator that I am showing you is an electric generator. So how can you use electricity to generate electricity? Isn't it? Very weird. Hence, I require to heat the water in this generator so the steam will come out, and then this steam I will put it onto the turbine and the turbine starts moving. Now my problem is, how do I heat this water here in this steam generator? The water in the steam generator can be heated by a number of methods. One is I can use charcoal. I use charcoal to boil water, make steam to required pressure, move it to some source so that this moves. Alright, if I do not have charcoal, then can I heat this water by some other source? And what is the other source? The other source is nuclear. So by nuclear fission, a lot of heat is generated. This heat generated is used to heat the water. The water converts to steam, and this steam, with proper controls and knobs, I will move it through the pipes to move this turbine, and this turbine will move the generator, and I will get the electricity. Isn't it wonderful? So easy. Now what are the variable things in this? One is input, isn't it? It is input. What is the input here? If it's water, hydroelectric. If it's wind, it is wind turbine. And if it is steam, then how does the steam form? Either by charcoal, I call it thermal power plant, or by nuclear fission, I call it as a nuclear power plant. Now next is different types of turbines. This is a very simple type called as a Kaplan turbine, usually used for the hydroelectric power plant. If I have different designs here, the names change. I can have Kaplan turbine, I can have Francis turbine, and so on. So friends, this is the simple concept of using steam and other sources to generate electricity. Thank you.